Guys, let me try to get the light right, okay, because it was right in my eyes. Hi guys, it's your girl A Marie from A Marie Lace Wigs. I wanted to show you guys this outfit that I made. So guys, y'all remember I told y'all that one outfit that I synced, that I will be able to make it. So this is my version of making it. This one is made out of like a denim knit fabric. It has the stones. I have some little trinklets hanging, the little stones there, stones in the back, a zipper in the back, a little tassel-y thing. So guys, yeah, so you guys remember this outfit that I ordered. This is the one that I ordered, but I actually modified this with the longer shingles on, because like when you turn, I didn't like the fact of like your butt showing. So that's why, if you guys notice, I made the shingles on this thicker, so that, you see that? To me, that looks better than you looking through your clothes and seeing your buttocks. So this is theirs, but remember, this thing come with it. And remember I told you guys, I said if I see something, I can make it. You remember I had told you guys. So there's zip tie in the back, and then they got all the sparkles and all the little stones. And this is a knit like denim like fabric. I still need a couple more things right here. I ran out of glue, guys. So I ran out of glue, so I'm gonna have to go back. And then the only thing I did different, guys, I tied mine up in the back. See this? I tied it up in the back because, and then it does have a zipper. See the zipper? It does have a zipper. And the reason why I tied it up in the back, guys, that little snap button is kind of hard to work. That little snap button is hard to work, guys. So, and then these is the same shoes that I had on with the other ones. But what I think I'm going to do is get some denim, guys. Get some denim and finish it. And, so yeah, this is my other little outfit that I made. I got a lot of stuff that I'm going to be working on, guys. But I told you guys that I was going to make it, guys. And I did it. My version of it. But I definitely like it better. Because you see, I like the fact that I don't feel so nude in the back. So, as always, thank you guys for watching. Your girl A Marie from A Marie Lace Wigs. And this is another one bites the dust, guys. Y'all keep them designs and different things coming. I got a lot of fabric that I got in, so I'm going to be making some great, awesome projects for you guys. Thank you guys so much. God bless. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. These is a couple still shots. Like I say, this is my denim rhinestone outfit that I made. My makeover version. And still got a couple more tassels that I need to hang on. I actually ran out of glue, but just wanted to share. It is in the making. And thank you guys so much for always watching. And as always, God bless. Bye-bye.